The Context tab can help you identify keywords in a passage, chapter, or book. To open the Context tab, click on the Context tab in the Analysis window. Using the search version, the Context tab provides a list of words according to how frequently they occur in the pericope displayed in the Bible outline, in the current book or current chapter that is displayed in the Browse window. Let's take a look at the book context list box. All of the words in the book that you are studying are listed there, with the most frequently occurring words at the top. The pericope list box displays all of the words that occur in the current pericope in the Bible outline in the Browse window header. In each of these list boxes, you can right-click and choose the option to sort the list alphabetically. This can help you to find specific words that you may be looking for in any of the lists. You can click on a word to immediately search for that word. And notice that depending on which list box within which you click on a word, your search results will be limited to that pericope, book, or chapter. The right-click context menus also allow you to copy the list to the clipboard or the BibleWorks editor. If you wish to save the word list for later use, you can right-click within one of the list boxes and choose Export List to Word List Manager. The word list can then be saved under File in the Word List Manager.